When I see you dancing, I'm like, hola, 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 hola. With your move fancy, make me wanna hola, 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 hola.
Welcome back, guys. Here with RPGSHOW once more. No, I love me some RPGSHOW, right? So as usual, drawstring bag, which is great for storage, and then the box, which is also branded. The wig is inside this tissue paper here. Their presentation, one thing for sure, is always going to be top notch. Alright, so we got a bunch of goodies. I love how organized this box looks. Alright, so as usual, you know they're gonna send a pair of absorbers, right? So this is basically a burrito oil and it's a wig conditioner. Alright, so this is specifically for wigs and weaves. And then I got a branded RPGSHOW elastic headband, flyaway tamer, the invoice which always shows the details of the wig. I got a pair of wig caps, and lastly, you know it wouldn't be an RPGSHOW package without their awesome magazine. So I got another one of these. Well, not lastly, this is the last thing. We got one of the RPGSHOW zip bags, and this is great for storage as well. So that's everything. If you know anything about RPGSHOW wigs, right, you know that most of the times they're glueless. They're always top tier Swiss lace wigs, and they come like style 90% of the times in the box. So you always receive your wigs, if it's a body wave or so, with beautiful curls, you know, like ready to wear type of vibe. Like, you know, if you get a body wave, yes, it's always going to be waved or curled, but I don't know if you understand, like tailored to your face. Then they do that for you, so it's like pre-customized and pre-styled, and it's glueless. It's just amazing. So this is basically a 20-inch silky body wave wig. It's a medium cap, by the way, and it's a glueless lace front. It's a 13x6 glueless lace front wig, and it's 200% density with this wig. As you can see, it's also a gorgeous highlight color, and it's very full. Inside of the wig looks like this, a standard cap construction, but they also added their RPGSHOW elastic band, which is adjustable to, you know, add more security on this inside. Also, there's a total of 3 combs and adjustable straps in the back. And look at that lace. It's beautifully pre-customized for you guys, pre-tinted and pre-bleached. So for the most part, in the middle is 13x6, and on the sides it's not as deep. That's how it looks. And look at that, beautifully pre-plucked already. You know, I recommend not plucking this any further, because I mean, come on, they already do the work for you, and it's gonna look over plucked if you pluck anything else from this. Like, it's perfect, it's perfectly plucked already. So I think that's always like a go. As I said, the color job looks so good. Look at those highlights, and it's very thorough. The color job is very thorough throughout the wig, so I love that. And as I say, this is a tinted, well, it's actually, to be more specific, it's a tinted transparent Swiss lace that's on this wig today. Alright, so I'm loving it. This color is perfect for the summertime. Perfect. And I know it's gonna, you know, you guys know I actually love this color job, right? I get so much wigs with this type of color to it. So guys, that's very snugged. Very snugged. Like, you could tell, yeah, this is gonna make the perfect glueless wig. You don't have to worry about not using any adhesive. I am so excited for this. I'm just gonna cut away the excess on the ear portion because it's too long. So I just need to cut around that. after I cut away the ear portion, I'll go in and cut off the rest of the excess lace.
I got your attention, spending that moolah. I'm a chop top in pocket, swolla.
So you see the lace, the lace is very non-detectable. Usually now all I have to do for the ear portion, that is the area I usually just use a little bit of spray for, because otherwise it's gonna like be flabby. You don't want that. Just to keep it in place, I just go in with a little bit of, you know, spray to hold that down. So that's how we're looking. The rest of the wig has absolutely nothing on it, no glue, no nothing. So I'm just gonna work on the parting, and I'm gonna make it flatter. So I'm gonna go in with my hot comb, of course.
See you dancing, I'm like hola. With your move fancy, make me wanna hola. I got your attention, spending that moolah. I'm a chop top in pocket, swolla. Attention, spending that moolah. I'm a chop top in pocket.
I'm all finished. You see, I didn't have to recurl the hair. That's what I'm telling you. Like, the hair comes like perfectly styled in the box most of the times. Everything is already pre-customized for you. It's like so effortless. Like these waves in the wig, so effortless. I love that vibe. And I just, you know, refined or made the middle part more precise. Use my hot comb and see, all glueless. This is so nice and undetectable. Like the hairline, everything looks realistic. The quality of the hair feels good. So you know, whenever you like process here, you know this is processed because it's colored and stuff. So it is a little bit more on the coarser side, but it's not like dry, you know, and it's very minimal shedding. So that's how it looks. That's how the wig is looking. Go ahead, show you completely glueless. It's so pretty. I love it. Let me know what you guys think. RPG Show, you did it again. Shout out to you. This wig is amazing and super easy to install. So all my beginners out there, don't fear. Like, RPG Show has your back, like literally. And I feel like I show you guys so much different convenient ways where, like, if you're not that experienced, you could still go ahead and apply your wigs like a pro. Like, yeah, so I love it. So I'm gonna be sure to put the direct link to this wig in my description box if you guys are interested in getting it for yourself. Also, all the specifications will be listed down below, so go ahead, check that out. That's it for today's wig look, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Swolla.